Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sorium, for those of you that are new here, and I am going to be sharing with you guys today a little bit of a snapshot of our morning routine. So this is what we've been doing for the last couple of months, me and my daughter Amara, who is 2.5 years old, and also the dog. She's in a lot of these clips. So we usually get up between like 8 and 8:30. So Amara comes into my room around 6:30 in the morning, because that's the time that she wakes up. And so she comes into my room and then she crawls into bed and we both fall asleep. And she gets up around, between 7:30 and 8:30 is when she actually wakes up, and she's active and awake. So after a while she wakes me up and then we kind of cuddle in bed for a little bit. So the first thing I like to do when I get out of the bed is to open the window, and I just open the curtain and the shade, and I just let the light in since it's so dark in the room because we have a blackout shade. So once I'm out of bed, I like to just make the bed really quickly. It's just easier if I just make it right as I get up, because if I don't make it right away, then it doesn't get made the rest of the day. So I make sure to just do that really quickly, and Amara likes to watch me. She likes to run around the room, and we just hang out while I do this. So after I make the bed, I just go to the bathroom quick and I brush my teeth. I like to put my hair up. I grab my robe, and then we run over to her room so we could get her out of her nightgown. And I like just to dress her right in the morning, like I said, because if I don't, then we're in pajamas all day. So I grab a pair of sweatpants for her right now, and she's obsessed with long sleeve shirts. So that's what I always grab for her. And I'm just gonna put her in a really cute and comfy outfit. So we usually get her dressed in her room, and then we put some socks on her, and then I head over to my bedroom so that I could get ready for the day. So for me, my uniform has been some sweatpants or some leggings and a t-shirt or like a workout shirt. And this is just my comfy uniform for the house. So I get that out, and I've been just wearing a sports bra because they're nice and comfortable. I like to make sure that we get everything done upstairs that we need to get done before we head downstairs, because my husband is working from home in the office in the back room, and I don't like to come upstairs after we're downstairs so that we don't bug him.
Oh, bake up. Oh, bake up. Oh, bake up. Oh, bake up. Oh, bake up.
Go. Once we're downstairs, I like to just put the TV on for her. So today she decided she wanted to watch Moana, so I put that on for her. And then I have her just watch TV a minute while I get her breakfast. Today she wanted Fruit Loops, so I always ask her what she wants to eat for breakfast. So she wanted some Fruit Loops today, and so I give her a little bowl, and you can see her little corner's a mess. This is her little play area, but she just like sits down on her chair and just takes care of her breakfast. It's really cute. So this particular morning I had a video to upload, so I did that, and as that was uploading I went around the whole first floor and opened all the shades so that we had nice light coming in. This is my favorite thing to do. I always do this every single morning. I open up all the windows, and I can't wait till it's nice and warm out so I can actually open the windows and get some air. So now I'm going to work into the kitchen. I have not been doing dishes in the evening. It's just not something I want to do. So I leave the mess for the morning. I put all the clean dishes away, and then I just you know, put a video on YouTube, and Amara's like almost done with her breakfast, and I just get through the dishes. Once the kitchen is clean, that is when I am going to get started on my breakfast. So I end up eating breakfast between like 10:30 and 11:30. So it's kind of like a brunch. So I don't usually eat lunch. I just have breakfast a little later in the morning, and then I might have like a little snack in the afternoon, and then I just have dinner. So that's just how I like to do it. I like to get things done in the morning, so and I'm usually not super hungry when I wake up, so that's just how I like to do things. The baby does eat like a million times a day. She has breakfast, and then she has like 20 snacks, and then she has lunch, and then she has 20 more snacks, and then she has dinner, and then she has a couple more snacks before bed. So that's just how it is here in our home. So for today, I'm making a little bit of an omelet. So I just diced up some green peppers and a yellow onion, and then I'm gonna throw those into my pan with butter so they could cook down, because I don't like my vegetables to be like kind of like hard or raw basically when I'm eating my eggs. So I put those in there first and let those cook down for a couple of minutes, and then once that's done, I'll put in my eggs. So I like to just keep everything clean as I'm cooking. So I was done with the peppers, I put those away. I was done with the onion, I put that away. I just like to keep everything clean once the kitchen is like nice and organized and clean. So then I'm going to throw my eggs into a little bowl, put some adobo in there, mix it up, and then I'm going to throw it into the pan. I don't need to add any more butter because it already had butter. And I am just going to let that cook for a little bit, and then I'm going to have breakfast. So while I eat breakfast, I like to just watch YouTube videos and have a little bit of quiet time over here in the kitchen while the baby is in the living room watching TV. So once I am done eating, I like to just do some work on the computer. So I like to just sit over here, get some editing done, and this takes me through right into the afternoon. Sometimes I go watch TV with the baby, sometimes we play video games. So it really just depends on what I have to get done in the morning. So that's basically our morning routine right now, and that's what we've been doing for the last couple of months. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I post 3 times a week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.